Right. Yeah, that'd be...
That works.
Ancient Fort has some loot. You go there. Radium gun parts blueprint. There we go.
Crazy that you haven't come across that yet.
Given up.
Although, what's a heavy gun? Not that many heavy guns are there. Rather than a medium gun part. I actually don't know how this place works. Like, how do you open that gate? Is it one of these battery things? It's like a basement, there's like a battery around here that you pick up and then drop into something.
Up the top, I think.
Light. What have you seen?
Player.
Yeah.
Player?
Down the bottom, he's outside of the structure.
Yeah. Can't see him. He can come up, there's a ladder behind us as well that he can come up there. That's the only other way he can get up. He's put a smoke, he might come up the stairs maybe. I assume that was him that dropped that smoke.
Yep, ladder.
Are you down, are you?
Another one upstairs. Whoa. Someone's using cover a bit of mine.
That's showstop them or not? Come to me if you can. Come to me.
Woo!
Come to me, Andrew, I can't, not at the top of the stairs. Oh.
Lightning hit me.
You're right.
Lightning was right there, so I had to crawl away from it.
One's down. One down. He's behind me, Messi. I'm just healing up, Messi. Oh, I got hit by freaking lightning. Oh, just as I ran into him. Oh, freaking lightning. He's got a... Unbelievable.
Oh, the birds. What?
Oh, I'm gonna get killed by lightning. I've been killed by lightning twice.
Yeah,
so painful.
that dude died with you because
Did
I
he?
saw him on the ground right next to you.
Yeah. And we all did. Both teams completely did. I'm sorry for resisting the lightning storm. So what's all my fault? Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure they're all down. It's hilarious. It's what killed all the squads? The lightning. Oh yeah, look, there's three of them. It's hilarious. Oh man, 3 bodies, eh?
Yeah, there's one over by the door, right?
Oh yeah, there's one there. Oh, that's a shocker. That's a shocker. Oh well. That's it, boys.
You got the technical win for.
At least we got the technical win, yeah, right there.